Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Storybook Gnomes suite. Here's my first card with the Storybook Gnomes suite. I made this a wobble card. I put a little wobble on the gnome so he wobbles. Very cute. This is a simple card, but I thought it was fun to have the gnome on a little wobble. So the wobbles look like this, or you can make one from a spring from a pen. You can order these on Amazon, and I will post a link. So for this card, I started off with some of the Storybook Gnome Designer Series paper. The Designer Series paper has some cute patterns, along with the gnomes and mushrooms can be cut out with the dies. And you can use the dies to cut out the gnomes on this paper. Super, super cute. And then on the mushroom house paper, you can also cut those out with the dies. Where did the mushroom paper go? There it is. And so here you can cut those out. So this is the bundle. And we have all these gnomes with dies to cut them out, the mushroom house, sentiments, and we've got an extra hat and beard, legs, and little mushrooms. So super, super cute bundle. There is also some Snowfall Accents puff paint that is part of the bundle, as well as these lovely sparkle gems. So you got Pool Party, Pacific Point, Pale Papaya, and I think this is Poppy Parade. Really pretty. So those are all the pieces of the suite. So now I just started off with a piece of cardstock, and I started off with 8.5 by 5.5 and folded it in half, and then I cut this at 2 1/8. But you can also start with a 6 1/4 sheet of cardstock and score at 2 1/8. I'm just using a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the Designer Series paper. And I'm gonna attach that to the back. And then I have this white piece that is 2 1/2 by 4. I'm just gonna double check that. 2 3/8 by 3 3/4. And I'm just going to adhere this to the middle. This is where you can write your message or stamp a sentiment. I also have this piece of cardstock that is 2 by 5 1/8. It's the other side of the Designer Series paper. And then I have a stitched rectangle die cut from the stitched rectangle dies. It is the 4th largest die right there. And I'm just going to attach it with some dimensionals, only on the left side. Now I have a second sheet that is the same size as the first of basic white. And I have one of the snowflakes from the Snowflake Elements. So I'm just going to use a glue dot in the middle to adhere it to the card. And I'm going to place it up this way with the tall ones going out to the sides. And now we get to do our gnome with our little gnome. So we're gonna remove Uh-oh. What's happening? So I'm just going to remove the backing on the back, and I'm going to place this in the center, right there. And then I'm going to remove the backing from the front. And I'm going to place my gnome where I want him, about right there. And there's my wobbling gnome, so cute. And then the last step is I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "You know me so well," in Pool Party. Okay, now that I've cut that out, the last step is just to add some dimensionals. Kind of messed up on the back there, so I turned it over. And just place that right there. And this is our wobbly gnome card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the Gnome bundle. I have a bridge card that folds flat along with the dancing, swinging legs card. Just go to my website, use my current host code when you place your order. If you already have this bundle, you can place a $50 order, and please email me and let me know that you would like this card kit. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Storybook Gnomes suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.